The map? Oh, so I get like a sniper. Yeah, I'm cool with what I got. Ooh, that's nice. Smooth. I like it. Let's do it. Following my teammate. Ouch, my leg hurts. Oh, I worked on my inner thighs at the gym. And I like pulled something while I slept right after. It was oh! Smoke out! I even see him. What? It's okay, we're back. Instant respawn. Oh shoot. Are they after A? Honestly, I like the oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh, he killed me with that? Honestly, I like the close quarters combat in this game a lot more than the yeah, a lot more than the range combat, 'cause you just get... Where was he? Where was... Oh, he's in the window. Yeah, 'cause you just get tapped from anywhere. It's like, come on. I mean, I get that's like... I mean, I can't be complaining, that's what warfare is probably actually like. You have to be patient. Play strategically.
Hey! Direct Alpha, yall!
That's crazy, though. Ah. Get down! Like... Okay, we're actually getting objectives here.
Alpha secured! Anyone hit? Clear!
Nice, we got all three, I think. Well, we're getting C. These fools just like to camp windows. Yeah. Like, I mean, it doesn't even show you where they are, bro. I think I need a bigger gun. I think that's my problem. Yeah, that's more like it. There we go. This is more what I'm talking about here.
They just took Alpha!
It'll change next time. Moving, moving, moving! Breaching! No longer breaching.
Losing target over here!
Hey, back up.
I need backup! Fuck a fuck!
Can't see me. I know you're in there, buddy. I'm not coming out. They're surrounding me.
We've taken Alpha!
Where are you? Where are you? What? Is he hiding? I guess I don't need a bigger gun. I need a shotgun is what I need. Yeah, give me the KSG.
Hey, they're at Alpha Yellow!
That's all I need. Oh, I'm stuck with the sniper though.
Took Alpha!
Support. I don't know if that helped or hurt my team. Oh shoot, I just shot my teammate. What? Oh my gosh. Dang, you got lit up though. Oh, it's what? Could have sworn this thing shot to it before you had to pump. Oh, yeah. Alright. Is there a way I can choose my spawn? It'd be nicer if I, you know, spawn next to trying to capture.
Hey, hey, I'm at Alpha.
Look! They took Charlie!
This game's stressful, bro.
Alpha captured. We got it. It's clear. We cleared.
Oh shoot.
Okay, take it Charlie now!
They're coming for us. I'm not anywhere safe, dang it. Just wallbang me. Dang, I'm dead, bro, calm down. Yes! Yes! Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Enemy! Enemy!
That was almost bad. I got you. 3. What the frick's going on upstairs? Oh shit! Move! Oh damn it! Ah. Keep it moving! Go, go, go!
Machine gun! Machine gun!
Shit! Holy shit, warfare is terrifying.
Charlie!
Hey, they're at Alpha Yellow!
Bro! Oh shit, we're on fire. Move, move, move!
Security Charlie!
Got him in the legs. Get out. Got him. Damn it!
Enemy taking Bravo!
He's on the floor. This game's fucking scary, bro.
Enemy just took Bravo! They're taking Alpha!
got him for me. Dang, we're so close. We can't lose now.
Securing Charlie!
Oh shit. Get out. Out. Give me your gun too. I don't have any mags for this, right? Shit. Are we still? Oh fuck! I just shot my teammate. How are we still in a stalemate? How, bro? How? How? All we gotta do is take this and we'll win. Oh my gosh, that's how. I'll never let you take C. That's what he says in chat. I see how it is. Come on. Move, move, move! They're freaking lighting the stairs on fire! We're 3 points away!
Okay, we got Bravo.
Oh! We did it! Let's freaking go! Well, hope y'all enjoyed Insurgency Sandstorm. It's pretty fun. Intense, scary. But stick around to the next video. See y'all, goodbye.